Welcome to this tutorial, and thank you for joining. In today's video, we are going to learn how to give access to contacts in the IMO app. Many users face difficulty when trying to enable this permission, but with a clear explanation. First, locate the IMO app on your device's home screen. Next, press and hold the IMO app icon until a small menu appears. Then, tap on the option called App Info. From there, scroll down and choose Permissions. After that, select Contacts from the list of available permissions. Finally, choose Allow to give IMO access to your contacts. Once this is done, IMO will be able to connect with people in your contact list, making communication more seamless. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks so much for watching.